Today we completed the fundamentals of field service taught by Doug Glass with the PMMI organization. It was a very useful and insightful class. My team seemed to be very pleased with it. The team building exercise itself was the most important aspect to me, but for the service techs, they gained a lot of knowledge on how to interact with customers, how to travel. It also gives them self-confidence, which I feel like is a very useful aspect, especially for the newer techs. It makes us just better at what we do, more professional. I really enjoy the fact that it brought together 10 people that normally don't really speak too often in other environments, but when they're here, they're a team.
We had today the advantage of having one company, Ryson International, do this, and we had all their technicians here. It was a team building exercise. I think that went well. We had some old dogs in here that had been on the road for a while. We had some brand new people, so they were able to compare notes on what they're doing. Having worked here, I'd also worked on this equipment, so that gave me an advantage so I could point things. At the very end, we actually went through their service reports and gave an overview on how to do those, being very specific to their company. So I think that was an advantage everybody had here.